So this is a video. I had these switches in my attic and I didn't know what these switches controlled because the builder just added these switches but didn't label them. So that looks like a transformer, some kind, maybe a doorbell or something else that uses a transformer. I can trace and see where this goes. It's got two wires, so it could be a doorbell. And then I have this switch here, and then I have another outlet here. I think the outlet is already hot. It's not a switched outlet, so it's active. I tested it earlier using one of those testers. And this is another switch, and this looks like a junction box. So I was planning to label these two switches. So this switch, if I look at the back of the switch, and this should be incoming and this should be outgoing. So this looks like the incoming. It's coming from this other transformer, and this wire seems to go up, and goes up over there. So I'm gonna see where this goes. If I follow it over that beam, goes up there and it comes down here too. So this looks like it goes to the AC unit down here. And I know for a fact this AC unit is for the upper level, and that's the wire coming up. And switch, you can see it over there, coming down and going to that first switch. So what I did is I had actually already created a label using this Brother Label Maker over here. Add the label here, it's too big, so I can cut it into two parts: furnace AC, front upper level. That's the label maker I used. It's a Brother PT-H, very useful. And then I just cut this. Okay, and I can just attach these labels. Yeah, well, it's got a sticky back. I just remove the sticky back. It's hard to take the video, and I'll just attach the labels here.